o'clock. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Use caution when opening the overhead bins to prevent injury from items that may have shifted during flight. You may now use your mobile devices. Before you leave the aircraft, be sure to check your seat pocket, the overhead bins, and the floor area around your seat for any personal items you brought on board.
Welcome to Seattle.
Back again.
Yeah. What's up, you guys? Welcome to Seattle. The first of many stops today's adventure. We're on our way to Los Angeles with a couple-hour layover here and then a few-hour layover in Utah? Yeah, Utah, Salt Lake City. We got some surprises along the way, so hang on. So we have about 4 hours in Seattle International Airport. So what are we doing? We're gonna go for breakfast. We need food. Food and coffee. I'm not a morning person. I'm not awake. All right, guys, we are now off. Second flight, Utah, and we're going to check out a company that does merch and does all the fulfillment and everything. We can't wait to get this off of our plates because selling merch is a pain in the ass.
And a good thing for you guys is the shipping costs are about to drop.
Because it's out of the US versus out of Canada, it's like half. All right, what's our gate?
I don't know. I got the app.
The app? I have the flight number.
Gate B7.
Where are we sitting?
Right there.
Hold on.
Well, you're here.
You cheaped out. This one row before first class. Here, throw that one up there too, brother. Bag boy right there, bag boy. Look at that. All the leg room you need. Stretch out.
Isn't this?
Dude, this might as well be first class. This is amazing.
This upgrade was only $400.
Yeah, right. Thanks, Delta. Small delay. We're about 15 minutes behind, but check this out. Delta has their own Porsche Cayenne. Check that out. Delta Porsche Cayenne to the rescue. Thanks, guys. You know what's kind of funny? The fact that we're gonna be back here in like 4 hours in that lineup getting on yet another plane today.
You guys heading out, man?
What up, Nathan?
How's it going?
Damon. Nice to meet you, man. Hey, thanks a lot for picking us up.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, I get shotgun? Thanks, brother.
I know my place.
You know your place. Guys, welcome to Drive Marketing. We just arrived. These guys do everything from manufacturing, print, like shipping, fulfillment, all that, right?
Everything.
Everything?
Design to manufacturing to delivering.
So, DD merch, hoodies, t-shirts, hats, you name it. Actually, all this crazy stuff behind us, custom bags. We're gonna show you guys actually what they do. We're gonna actually make something today. So, I'm really excited. Especially because I don't have to deal with it.
These are kind of cool too because it's a cut and sew company, so you can do custom at a quantity of 6. So, and it's I would embroider the outside of it.
So you can embroider the outside.
But it has like a custom
liners on the inside. So we could have it say like Daily Driven Exotics or whatever. Fulfillment.
Yeah, and this is where we actually print shirts on demand. So you have no stock, they're just printed as they're ordered.
So this is all fulfillment, print on demand. They do it all right here. It's, well, you'll see.
EDE, and then this one's the Ferrari.
Oh yeah, I'm excited.
smell it. Yeah.
Yeah, you can smell the vinegar. 'Cause it actually opens up the fibers and helps the ink stick to it a little bit better. See that's white. We'll take it, throw it on the dryer. Roughly how much time?
Dude, look, it's the Ferrari. Guys, it's the Scuderia on a t-shirt. Wait till you see this shirt. We're really excited about this shirt. Okay guys, we got some shirts hot off the press. Now, these are just samples. We have the final renderings coming in the process, but check these out. And it's gonna be all print on demand, so you'll be able to pick multiple colors, different designs. We're just super excited. So we'll be working with Drive Marketing, and I think James is on his way over here. How you doing?
How's it going?
Hey, good to see you, brother.
It's great to see you. Man, Damon, you looking sharp. You been working out? You have been. I've been watching your vlogs every day, bro.
What does he want from me? He's sucking up already. Good to see you. Hey, you know what I do need though? I do need one of these, oh man, I don't know all the photography, the filter thing.
You don't have a polarizer?
No.
Oh, dude,
I need one.
Viewers would appreciate it so much.
I know.
That's why people subscribe to me. It's for the polarizer.
Game changer.
Yeah, it is a game changer.
We're done here at Drive. We're hungry. We're gonna take James. I'm super excited because this is what I came to see. Oh wow, bro, you killed it. This thing is awesome. So James brought his Audi R8, which has a ski box on it, but more importantly, he beat me to it. We've both wanted to put light bars or a form of like rally lights on our cars, and he did it first. Bravo and touche. Check this out, you guys. Boom. Now I know it's a love or a hate thing. I love it. I heard there's haters on the internet.
There's a couple here and there.
And what have they had to say about this situation?
They've said some pretty mean things that have gotten me right in the heart. It's hurt so bad.
Don't be so mean to Jay.
But it's okay. It's okay. I was on the phone with my brother last night, and he told me he hated it.
Did he?
He did.
Your brother?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
His own flesh and blood. Jay Straddy is getting even a little bit of a beating from the fam. Well, I love it. This is so cool. Now, this has to be like ridiculously bright.
Still a work in progress.
Oh, it's not. What do you got to do to it still?
There's a switch in the trunk.
Oh, yeah.
To turn it on.
I like this. There's a switch in the trunk.
So I can't turn it on while driving yet, but that's gonna change. So
you just need a Dave.
Yeah, I just
and
need a Dave.
you put a Dave in there. You shoot him a text. Turn on the lights.
I got this.
Of course, you have the ski box on here now. I'm working on this right now myself. The whole fabrication of what do you call it? A bracket or a frame system in order to get it over the engine bay, which is the more aesthetically pleasing design and look is over this versus I've had mine over the roof the whole time.
Food vlog.
Food vlog.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, Dave. You want to ride in here? You want to?
I'll ride here.
Yeah, right in here. I'll get some rollers. These shots, you're gonna love them. And we're racing. Are we racing? Those shots.
Yeah?
Those shots. I'll show you the shots after we've had something to eat.
Okay, nice.
But I mean, this thing rolling. By the way, those are really bright.
Are they? Nice. I figured they would be. They also, I realized they have the plastic film on them. I need to remove that.
Oh yeah. That's how new this is.
Oh, brand new.
We're giving you guys that they're gonna be even brighter now.
Yeah.
Look at the difference.
That's such a difference.
Look at.
Yeah.
We'll vlog some food. You'll see that, and we'll be back to talk more about what you guys really care about. Other than
They don't care about the food vlog?
our health food. They probably care like
It's imperative. It's essential. We got to have our nutrition. Otherwise, we
there's
can't.
no energy to do anything.
Exactly.
We're going to get food. What'd you get?
This is a Caesar kale chicken salad. Did I say that right? I think I said that right. Nailed it.
You nailed it. Well, thanks to Coral Life Eatery, I have done two things. I've accomplished keeping my wife happy because I'm eating healthy on the road, and I'm keeping myself in check, which isn't easy when we're on the road. We just gotta find a gym. You wanna do a quick workout?
Let's do it right here.
We got 20 minutes. Oh yeah, we could. Push-ups in the parking lot. Let's go check out James' R8 because you could drive it.
They actually could drive it.
So you're renting this car out?
I am renting out this car on Turo. That was kind of sort of the main reason I bought it. I also bought it because, well, it's an Audi R8 and it's a whole lot of fun to drive.
Yep.
But yes, I am renting it out locally in Utah on Turo. I think I have it for like $325 a day.
Cheap.
But there's a 2-day minimum.
That's a great deal though,
Yeah.
I mean.
Yeah, so if you guys find yourself in the state of Utah in Salt Lake City, check it out. You can take it skiing. You can take it, well, no. Don't rally it. Don't drive it in. No. Keep it under 55 and in the slow lane.
In all seriousness, if you want a supercar experience and you're in the Utah area, go on Turo, pick up James's R8 because for, what would it be? What was it, 600?
650.
It'd be
650 for 2 days.
650 for 2 whole days. All of that with this, and when it gets dark, it's still daylight.
If I was really cool, I'd just be able to flip them on, but soon.
Eventually.
And when I say soon, someday.
Eventually. So yeah, you guys, that's what's going on. James has his car up. It's getting colder out significantly
getting
now
really
that
cold.
now
It's
that
getting really
the
cold.
sun has gone down. Just want to say thanks for coming out.
Oh,
Thanks for bringing the R8.
Absolutely.
I was really excited to see this. This is I'm jealous, but mine's in the works.
I can't wait to see it. Bring it.
And then we're
Come
gonna
visit.
bring the girls and put them together and go have some fun out here, play. And you're gonna come to Canada eventually.
I'm gonna bring this car to Canada here very, very soon.
This is the perfect car for Canada.
Yeah.
All right, where are we off to now? Airport?
Yeah. We have to like get going.
We're on our way to
Gotta run.
LA tonight, you guys. We're going, this is just gonna be the start of the massive adventure, supercar chasing. We got more collabs. It's about to get crazy. But when we land in LA, we've got a supercar being delivered to us at LAX.
What car?
It's the